Hello there. Thinking about transferring money from your Scotiabank credit card to your bank account? Let's break down if it's possible, how it works, and what you need to know before you try. Here's the deal. You cannot directly transfer money from your Scotiabank credit card to your bank account like you would from a debit card or savings account. Why? Because a credit card isn't a deposit account. It's a form of borrowed money, so technically you are asking for a cash advance. Now, you can request a cash advance which give you cash from your credit limit. You can do this at an ATM or by transferring to your Scotiabank account using the mobile app or online banking. But here's the catch. Cash advances usually come with high interest rates and no grace period. Interest starts building the moment you take the money out. So, it's possible but not ideal unless it's an emergency. Always consider the fees and interest before going the route. Need cash? There might be better options like a line of credit or a personal loan. But if you go the credit card route, know the cost before you tap. Stay smart with your money.